Hi guys. Many users have been complaining of an issue with their webcam where it repeatedly keeps turning off and on again. This video will show you how to fix webcam repeatedly turning off and on issue in Windows 10. Open this PC. Go to the following path. Select the RsProviders folder and click on the rename icon at the top. Change the name of this folder to RsProviders Backup or anything you prefer. Reboot your PC and check if the webcam is working fine now. Solution 2. Turn off power saving feature for webcam support. Right-click Start button and select Device Manager. Double-click on Universal Serial Bus Controllers to expand it. Locate the USB ports to which the camera is connected. You might need to disable each port one by one to find the camera port. Right-click on the webcam's USB port and choose Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Power Management tab. Uncheck the box associated with Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click on OK to save the changes. Restart your computer and check if the webcam problem is solved. Solution 3. Reset the camera app. Click on Start menu and select Settings. Select Apps. Find the camera app. Select on it and click on Advanced Options. On the camera settings page, click on the Reset button. On the confirmation prompt, click on Reset again. Restart your computer and check if the issue is resolved. Solution 4. Reinstall the camera app. Open PowerShell as admin. Enter the command below. Once the command executes, restart your PC. You can use Microsoft Store to reinstall the camera app. Solution 5. Modify the system registry. Press Windows key plus R to open Run. Type Registry to open Registry Editor. Go to the following path. Right-click on the platform key and select New. Enter 32-bit value. Name the new entry as Enabler from a server mode. Double-click on it and set the value data field to 0. Click on OK. Go to the following location. Right-click on the platform key and select New. Enter 32-bit value. Name the new entry as Enabler from a server mode. Double-click on it and set the value data field to 0. Click on OK. Restart your computer and check if the webcam problem is fixed.